Going to see about classification of fungi. Many mycologists have attempted to classify fungi based on vegetative and reproductive character. The classify fungi based on vegetative and reproductive characters. The traditional classification categories fungi into 4 classes: Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes and Tetromycetes. Among these, the Phycomycetes include fungi species of Oomycetes, Hydromycetes and Psychomycetes, which are considered as lower fungi indicating algal origin of fungi. The Constantine J. Alexopoulos and Charles W. Mims in the year 1979 proposed the classification of fungi in the book entitled Introductory Mycology. They classified fungi into 3 divisions, namely Gymnomycota, Masticomycota and Amasticomycota. There are 8 subdivisions, 11 classes, 1 form class and 3 form subclasses in the classification proposed by them. Now see about some classes for saline features of Oomycetes. The Oomycetes classes, the cenocytic mycelium is present. Cenocytic means absence of septum. The cenocytic mycelium present in Oomycetes. Second one, the cell wall is made up of glucan and cellulose. Then zoospore with 1 whiplash and 1 tinsel flagellum is present. Then sexual reproduction, the oogamous, for example albigo. Next one class, Psychomycetes. The most of the species are saprophytic and live on decaying plant and animal matter in the soil. Some lead parasitic life, example Entomophora on housefly. The bread mold fungi, for example Mucor and Rhizobus. The fungi growing on tongue, Coprophilus. Then another one, the fungi Phyllopolis belong to this group. The fret mold fungi, for example Mucor and Rhizobus. This Rhizobus, the Rhizobus, the mycelium is branched or cenocytic. Then asexual reproduction by means spores the produced in the sporangium. The spores the produced from the sporangium. The sexual reproduction is by the fusion of Cametangia. The fusion of Cametangia which result in thick-walled cycospore. It remains the dormant for long periods. The cycospore undergoes meiosis and produce the spore. Now see about saline features of Ascomycetes. The Ascomycetes include a wide range of fungi such as yeast, powdery mildew, cup fungi and morels. Then although the majority of the species live in terrestrial environment and some live in aquatic environment, both freshwater and marine. Then the mycelium is well developed, branched with simple septum. The mycelium is well developed, branched with simple septum. The majority of them are saprophytes. The majority of them are saprophytes, but few parasites are also known. The powdery mildew, for example Erysipelas. Then the asexual reproduction in Ascomycetes takes place in fission, budding, conidia and chlamydospore. The sexual reproduction in Ascomycetes, the fusion of 2 compatible nuclei. Here special hypha called the ascogenous hypha is formed. Then when the tip of the ascogenous hypha, the recurve forming a cooked cell. The recurve forming the cooked cell is called the crosier cell. Then the two nuclei in the cell of the hypha, the fuse to form the diploid nucleus. The two nucleus that form the diploid nucleus. The cell is formed the young ascus. Then the diploid nucleus undergo the meiotic division to produce the 4 haploid nucleus. The diploid nucleus undergoes the meiotic division to produce the 4 haploid nucleus, which further divided the mitotically to form the 8 nuclei. The 4 haploid nuclei to produce of the further divided the mitotically to form of the 8 nuclei. Then the nucleus get organized into 8 ascospore. The nucleus get organized into 8 ascospore. The ascospore are found inside the back-like structure. The ascospore are found inside the back-like structure is called ascus. This one ascus. The presence of ascus, the popularly is known as sac fungi. The presence of the ascus, this group is popularly is called sac fungi. The asci gets surrounded by sterile hypha, forming root body is called ascospore. There are 4 types of ascospore, namely cleistothecium, completely closed, perithecium, the flask-shaped with ostiole, apothecium, the cup-shaped and pseudothecium. See about some pictures of types of ascospore. First one, cleistothecium, the completely closed. Second one, perithecium, the flask-shaped structure with ostiole. Ostiole means hole. Third one, apothecium, the apothecium, the look like the cup-shaped structure and pseudothecium. Now see about basidiomycetes. The basidiomycetes include the bug balls, toadstool, bird's nest fungi, bracket fungi, rust and smut. The mycelium is well developed, the septate with tolipore septum. The mycelium is well developed, the septum with the tolipore septum. Look like the bracket like. The tolipore septum is divided into 3 types: primary, secondary and tertiary. The primary, the monokaryotic, secondary dikaryotic and tertiary are found. The tolipore septum is here. The tolipore septum look like the bracket like structure. Then this one, the clamp connection. The clamp connection are found in maintain the dikaryotic condition. The dikaryotic condition in the nucleus. The asexual reproduction by means of conidia, oidia or budding. The sexual reproduction is present but sex organ are absent. The sex organ, male sex organ anthidium and female sex organ archegonium. Then the somatogamy or spermatization, the result in plasmogamy. The plasmogamy means the fusion of protoplast. Then the karyogamy is delayed. Here the karyogamy is delayed and dikaryotic phase is prolonged. The dikaryotic phase is the prolonged. The karyogamy takes place in basidium and immediately followed by the meiotic division. The karyogamy is delayed, then the dikaryotic phase is prolonged, but the basidium, the immediately followed by the meiotic division. Then the 4 nucleus as formed are the transfer to the basidiospore. Then the basidium is club-shaped structure. The basidium is the club-shaped with 4 basidiospores. This group of fungi is called club fungi. The basidium, the club-shaped with 4 shaped basidiospore. This group of fungi is called club-shaped. The fruit body is formed is called one class Deuteromycetes or fungi imperfect. The fungi belonging to this group lack sexual reproduction and are called imperfect fungi. Then, a large number of species live as saprophytes in soil and many plants and animal parasites. Then, the asexual reproduction takes place by the production of conidia, budding and chlamydospore. The conidia are also produced in special structure called pycnidium as well as sporodicium and cinemata. Then the parasexual cycle operate in this group of fungi. This bring genetic variation among the species. Some pictures of reproduction in imperfect fungi. First one, Pycnidium, Phoma. Second one, Acervillus, Colitotrichum. Third one, Cinemata, the Graphium.